She is not one of them.
Oh yeah, holla if you hear me. Yeah. Here we go, turn it up, let it start. From block to block, we snatching hearts and jacking marks. And the punk police can't blame me, and maybe we can have peace someday, G. But right now I got my mind set up, looking down the barrel of a 9, get up.
Hello, and welcome back to another video. It's your girl, Brianna Rochelle. If you are new here or if you have not done it already, I know y'all are tired of hearing me say it, so just go ahead and click on that subscribe button, okay? But I'm gonna be sharing with you guys, actually I picked these up last year, but I wanted to share with you guys because a few of the girlies wrote me on Instagram asking me the true size, how they fit, yada yada. So I want to share with you guys a little bit more about my lovely Chanelica sneakers. So let's just go ahead and get right into this video. So I remember I had first seen these on Instagram. I think Leston was wearing them. If you're in the DFW area and you're looking for anything real estate, you know, you want to get a new apartment, new house, what have you, or if you're looking to move to Dallas, hit up my boy I am MLS Stacks. I'll go ahead and include his Instagram right here. But I think he was wearing them one time in his story and I was like, Leston, that was kind of fire. And he was like, yeah, I got them in Chanel. And I was like, okay, let me go on to Highland Park and see, you know, what they got, how much it is and how it fit. And they didn't have them, so I was a little disappointed. And they had stated something like it was an older style and they're not sure if they're gonna get replenishment. So I was like, okay, all right, guess they're not meant to be. So Leston came into the store one day and we was chatting about him. He was like, I got a contact, I was just in Florida and they had tons, plethora. So I was like, oh, hold on. So he ran me those contact details so quickly, and I mean, that was it. Guy was able to get me the size that I was looking for, and he was like, all right, let's go ahead. So these were kind of like a gift to myself. Early birthday have you, because I think I got them in August of last year. So definitely was a treat. And if you know Chanelica, you know she is not cheap. But it does come in this beautiful black box. And one thing that I don't like about Chanel is that nothing really has a name. Like I like when I'm looking for a bag and it's like the Brianna bag. Yeah, I'm looking for the Brianna bag. Or the, you know, the Tom wallet, whatever. I just don't like that the things don't have the name. So it literally on here, it just says sneakers, velvet calfskin and mixed fibers. So I got the color ivory, and I did get a 41.5 because I wasn't sure how their sneakers run. And here's all like the information about the shoe and like the size and what's not. So I did get a 41.5. I know that I did want to wear these with socks, so I wanted to give myself the extra room in the shoe. But these are the dust bags that they do come in, and they do come with an extra pair of laces. I think it has white in it right now, or you know what, let's just go ahead and show y'all what it looked like. So I got the white pair. I wish I had gotten black because I would wear them more often. And for the price, y'all, I just don't feel like I want to wear these shoes every day. So here it has like the CC in like this kind of gold hardware, the laces here at the front, and like I showed you guys the extra pair of the black ones. So this is what it looks like up close. You guys see the Chanel emblem, and then on the back you see that it reads Chanel on there. Again, I got a 41.5. These are super comfortable. I like when shoes have the, I wish you guys could like see, but like the insole is super soft. So I wore these all day. I actually wore them in Houston. I'll insert a photo here because my outfit was cute and it was just like real relaxed, but it still was letting y'all know she is not one of them. But no, I wore these and they were pretty comfortable. Sneakers for me are very funny sometimes, simply because I have a large foot and I'm always like in slides, slippers, just my foot is always out. So when my foot is confined, sometimes it's not a good day. I get a little grumpy in sneakers sometimes. But these, I don't remember the retail price that I paid, because you know Chanelica done had about 15 price increases over the last year. But I'll include the link for the current one. I don't think they still have this colorway. You can check with your local boutique to see if they do. But these are still available, like the silhouette, not necessarily the colorway. You know, Chanel is one of those highly coveted brands, and obviously everything is like expensive as hell, but I do think that the quality of the shoes are exceptional. I wore them, like I said, a few times, and I don't know, I enjoy them. Like I said, I just wish I had gotten a black, that way I can wear them a little bit more, because I'm just afraid that I'll get those dirty. A lot of people have recommended Scotchgard. I'm like, it's so many mixed materials on the shoe. I don't want to put the Scotchgard on there and damage them. So if you guys have any sneakers that have mixed materials, have you added Scotchgard? Like, did it damage the integrity of the shoe? I'd love to hear in the comments below. Also, if you guys do have any Chanelica, I love saying Chanelica, but if you guys have any of their sneakers, go ahead and drop in the comments below. Again, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and y'all already know the next one coming soon, so I can't wait to see y'all there.